Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Notion Desktop, full guide. Open Notion Desktop and sign in, then create a workspace and a simple home page. Add pages using New Page, choose templates, and drag blocks to build layouts. Use headings, toggle lists, and inline databases to structure notes. Pin important pages to the sidebar for quick access and sync across devices for a seamless workflow. Customize icons and cover images to personalize your workspace. Create a clear hierarchy using pages, subpages, and databases so everything has a home. Use properties like tags, dates, and people to filter lists and view tasks by priority. Try board, table, and calendar views to match your workflow and switch views without losing data. Use templates for recurring notes and maintain consistent naming so you can find stuff faster. Regularly archive completed work to keep the workspace tidy and focused. If this video is useful, please subscribe and like to support future guides and quick tips. Quick recommendation: pick up The Simple Path to Wealth for practical money thinking that pairs well with productivity habits. It's a great companion if you plan to monetize ideas you organize in Notion, and it reads surprisingly fast. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Combine synced blocks and linked databases to create reusable components across multiple pages. Use relations and rollups to connect projects with tasks and surface key metrics without duplication. Take advantage of offline mode and automatic sync so edits update across devices seamlessly. Learn keyboard shortcuts and slash commands to speed up common actions and reduce friction. Regularly review workspace structure and prune unused pages to keep performance smooth and navigation simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.